Hey guys, today I'm just gonna be doing a car tour, so let's just get started. So just starting off in my trunk, I have my jacket, a little scraper, some bottles of water, and just different sparkling waters. So this is just what it looks like. This does have the bucket seat, so you just push that and the seat does automatically go forward. And then this is what it looks like once you are in the driver's seat. So down here you just have your light controls, and then this is the cruise control, and then the blinkers and windshield wipers. Then this is the steering wheel. I just added this little red ring around it. This is to control the screen with what you want it to display, and this is to go back. Then here, this is just the voice command, the phone or the volume up, down, hang up, and pick up. And then the mute. Over here we just have the screen that can display your music, phone calls, and navigation, and you can control it on here as well with what you would like. Then here we just have heated seats, sport mode, the hazards, and parking sensors. And then we just have the dual zone climate control. And then over here on the door you just have the unlock and lock. Then you have the seat controls with the seat memories. Then you have the mirrors to adjust them and fold them in, and then the windows. And then just down here, you just have the trunk open, and then I just have some hand sanitizer and a lip balm. And then in here, I just keep some change. And then this is just the control for here. Then I just have sparkling water. And then in here, I just keep Advil and my gas points cards. And then I just have a pair of sunglasses, air fresheners, receipts, and the charger cables. So here, the screen just has the audio, and then navigation, and then phone, and then you can put up the system to look at the clock and the fuel consumption. And then under the seats up front, I do have these LED lights. I'll insert a video of what they look like. Controls are the same, and there's just nothing in the little compartment. But it does have this little net. So here I just have 2 rock stars and a bottle of water. And then this just has the owner's manual. So here's just an overview of the car. And then once you're in the back, there is quite a bit of room. There's just a little storage compartment. And then this is for the LED lights, but it's just kind of a mess. And then you just have cup holders. And this car does have the panoramic sunroof.